According to the World Bank, women make up less than 20% of wash workers globally, and less than 1/4 of all managers and engineers. At ROCKBlue, we know that when women are encouraged to lead, communities worldwide gain new power in the fight against the global water crisis and in the pursuit of SDG 6, clean water and sanitation for all. That's why ROCKBlue is rising to the challenge with WULUW, Women's Utility Leadership in Urban Wash. A ROCKBlue global initiative, we are helping to close the gender gap by inspiring women and girls everywhere to pursue and excel in wash careers. Our WULUW mentors are leading urban wash experts and utility managers, and some of the most innovative and change-making forces in the world of water and sanitation. We understand that empowering women, addressing gender inequality, and investing in female leaders has a ripple effect that creates a brighter future for us all. Because when women thrive, the world thrives. WULUW, we are capable, we are powerful, we are women. To learn more, visit rockblue.org/WULUW.